Hello and welcome. Today I'm going to show you three types of questions that you come across in Olympiads. The first one is that what is the last digit of 2018 times 8012? So when they ask you the last digit of any result, doesn't matter what number you have there. So what you need to do is that you just need to multiply units to each other. 8 times 2, which is going to be 16, and as you see, the units of that number is 6. That means the last digit, which is units of this expression, is going to be anything 6. You don't have to multiply 2018 by 8012 even. You don't need to find the result. You don't need to lose time even. Just put this method and find the last digit as 6. The second type of question, they may ask you like the sum of 4 consecutive numbers is 1206. What is the smallest of this number? Sometimes they ask you the biggest number, sometimes the smallest number. It doesn't matter what they ask you. The method is going to be like this. Now, first of all, think about like normal consecutive, any 4 consecutive numbers. Let's say 5, 6, 7, 8. I'm giving any example. So now when you look at there, if this 5, this one is going to be 5 plus 1. This is going to be 5 plus 2. This is going to be 5 plus 3, right? Look. There and there. So now what you need to do is that you just take 5 out and put any letter, because we don't know what is that number. We are going to try to find it out. So that's going to be x, that will be x plus 1, that's going to be x plus 2, that's going to be x plus 3. Right, so now the sum of them, add them up. x plus 1, x plus 2, x plus 3 equals to 1206. So when you add them up, you see there I have 1, 2, 3, 4x. Add them up, plus 1, 2, and 3. Add them up, 6 equals to 1206. So linear equation. How do we solve linear equation? We leave down now alone. So send this number to the other side as subtraction. That will give you 4x equals to 1206 minus 6. So 4x is going to be 1200. From there, x will be 1200 divided by 4, which is 300. So my numbers are going to be from there 300, 301, 302, and 303. And the question is asking the smallest of these numbers, which is 300. Another type of question is that square root 20 plus square root 19 plus square root 20 plus 16. So what you need to do is that you need to go from that small square root as size. See, this is the smallest when you look at the sizes, of course. So you start from there first, inside there. Then take out, you find the result of this, take out, then find the result of that, take out, the result of this, and take out. So what will happen? That will be 36 square root 36 is going to be 6. This will come out as 6. This is gone now. Now I have this part now. 19 plus 6, which is going to be 25. See, I finished this one. Now I'm in the square root now. 19 plus 6 was 25. 25 is going to come out as 5, and this is gone 2. And now I have again 25 there, and solving out this part now. 25 is going to come out as 5. The answer is going to be 5.